option data OI, basically how Nifty historical data about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and how it behaved according to the OI. OI is basically there are pros, there are clients like the retail traders like us. Pros are the HNIs and the people with a lot of money, and then there is FIs for investors. So FI data doesn't matter much, at least according to my experience. So I have mainly take into consider the pro and the client data. So let's analyze it here. Okay, this is one of the report where I have Nifty Pro data analyzed according to Nifty move. Okay, and so I have some tiles here with a variety of data and also a table. So basically, the table shows me what is the latest Pro final OI, how many C, how many P. Positive is bought, negative is sold. Okay, so yesterday they have 90,000 C sold and around a lakh of contracts be bought. This number is actually not the exact, it's a relative value taken from the NSE website, but it helps us in predicting the market. So basically, you can see here that pros are very negative. The final low is negative. So, and if you see here, so here pro positive, pro negative, and pros are negative. Nifty higher percentage of Nifty going down, right? So this is Nifty up, this is Nifty down. So 73% down, 57 up when Nifty when pro data negative. So we have one data here negative. Then I have C sold. So 68%, 77%. So again negative. Then PE bought 42%, 54. So this shows me that the historical data is negative with these values. And I also have together. Okay, so here we have Nifty Pro C sold, P bought. So C sold, P bought. So 30% chance Nifty up, and C sold, P 47%, Nifty down. So again, from all this data, we can say that the probability of Nifty going down is higher. Okay, you can actually filter out using data as well. So if I choose this data, see, this is the last expiry. Okay, so okay, so last expiry, data was positive, and if you see four times in this weekend, it was up all the time, four up and zero down, and the data is also positive. They bought a lot of calls and negligible P. Similarly, if you see here, this week they are slightly negative. Okay, so we have 2 days of up and 3 days of down, but this data was on the expiry. Okay, so similarly, I have the client data. It's loading. Okay, so yesterday was client share positive. They sold C and also sold lot of P's. Okay, so positive. So one positive 79.86. So when clients are positive, Nifty went down. So we have one. Then C sold, P sold. C sold up. So one contrast, and P sold 96 is more than 91. So 2 is to 1. 2 times down, 1 time up. 1 probability of up. So, and then both are sold. We have 62% of up and 55% down. So, 2 2. So, client data shows it's a mixed. Might go up and might go down. So, it doesn't give that much of clear information. Next, we'll see the graphically. This actually gives you a very good picture. See, if I select client data, okay, so client data shows it's most of the time it's positive, okay, that's for the past 1 year it's mostly positive, hardly it's negative, and whenever it's negative, Nifty is up. See, this one crucial information you got. Then look at these pink bars are the monthly expiry. See, 26 October, 28 September. So monthly expiries of Nifty. So whenever we see this is a big down, right? Client data is up. Big down, client data is almost high, right? 500k, okay. And when up, it's not that high. When Nifty actually goes up, client data is slightly up or negative. See, here also less, here also less. And then down, it's almost peak, negative peak. See, the probability is high. So whenever the client data is positive, Nifty might go down. That's the general probability shows here, and also monthly also it's very visible. So graphically we can, by just having a look, we can conclude that, right? And now we see client data is very positive, 5d6. So from here it's going up. That's why it's going down, right? This is our current week. So current week we are down because the data is going up. And if similarly if you go to pro data, you'll see mostly down. The data is almost negative. See, and whenever data is positive, Nifty is always positive. So client pros are the market runners here. See, whenever they're negative, down, negative, down, negative, down, right? And for positive, they are not down; they are neutral. Either they don't have any data, so they let the clients win, or they are winning, right? So for this week, it's down, and pros are minus 199k, so negative. So still they're winning. And if you go to FI data, FI also mostly down. See, they're normally down, but see, they're down till the Nifty is up, so their data doesn't matter. So that's why it doesn't look at it. They may be hedged or something, I don't know. So this is one way. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, let me show you another report for this OI and Nifty analysis. Okay, here I have some tiles with information, and here see for the 18th July, what we have is 4 time Nifty up and 0 time Nifty down, right? And you see pro data is positive, clients hardly any data. 0 means they have a lot of sold call, lot of sold puts. If you go and check exactly. And Nifty moved 484 points that week. On an expiry date moved 107 points. So it gives such a nice data in one column. What happened on the expiry day, the Thursday, what happened the whole week, and how many times up, down, and the OI. Similarly, let's say some other week where, okay, this let's say is a June monthly expiry. So in the June, 4 times Nifty went up, 1 time down. On expiry, pro were highly positive. That's why 1875 points up Nifty. and the whole week around 5 points up. Let's see some negative. Okay, this is the May monthly expiry. The whole month was bad, 5 times down. Pros are very negative. If clients were highly positive, and the whole month 500 points less down Nifty went, and on expiry it was huge, 216 points down. If you saw this and traded, then yeah, jackpot on expiry, right? See, similarly, 4 times down in this and 152 points. It gives such a clear idea. 345 points on expiry for the whole week was down, right? And also have some. So this gives a very valuable information in just a simple metric, right? You see one more any negative day. Okay, this is 4, and on expiry day 264 points. Wow. So wait for the bad week, and on expiry go highly negative, and will print money. See, this is 3 2, so 3 is greater than, so 192.13, 159 points. Wow, just wow. And I have listed down some, like, so I selected, right? So let me unselect everything. So whenever all the data is up, when the pros are positive, clients are positive, FI is positive, Nifty is up 5 times, and the probability is 83%. Whenever all five go blind, go positive. Okay, this is that data I have mentioned. When Nifty down, when client is positive, pros are negative. So see, I told you pros are positive, clients are negative. It mostly goes down. 73% chances. That's a big number. And 68% chance when FI, okay, leave it. This is not important. Huh? Client positive, pros negative. Nifty up only 60. So this number is higher, right? Similarly, I have multiple, and exact same thing I have for Bank Nifty as well. Let me show you that. This has become some lengthy video, but yeah, I think it's helpful. So let me know in the comments if it's helpful. I'll share with you guys. Okay, so this week 2 days of trading, right? Friday and Thursday and Friday. This is Bank Nifty Wednesday expiry. So one up, one down, 131 points total move, right? Since last Wednesday was holiday, so we didn't print. This is local. I'll fix this in my report. So let's say on 10th, 2 times up, 3 times down that week, and even though everyone was positive, see on the expiry day this well, but we don't know on that week. Still, it went 400 points down, and total Bank Nifty move was 900 points down. Oh, this is five. See, 264 points down. Total week down is 300 points. Wow. 573 4 300 points. It's still down. It maintains that 4 600 points. So this will be very helpful if you follow this, right? Okay, guys. I don't want to repeat the same stuff. See, I have client data for Bank Nifty, Pro data sheets, and then I have the OI chat as well. This is similar what I show, where I have the Bank Nifty move along with the Pro and client. Let's see if I select Pro data. See how it shows the most of times down. OI, right below, and client as well. It is up, right? See, up, client is negative. Down, client is positive. Down when negative. Down when clients are positive, right? See, client was here. They took it when moving up. Excuse me. Okay, this is it for this is very complex. Yeah, I tried my best to explain you guys. But if you want this sheet, let me know. Please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'm planning to do next video on last 5 years of data about Nifty gap up and Nifty change, and that will be interesting, I guess. Okay, see you in the next video.